you might be overlooking one of the easiest markets to profit from. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to analyze team total under 1,5 and make it work for you. So we'll obviously be focusing on the Premier League, and I'll be making an example using the following teams, which are Chelsea versus Arsenal. So checking the last 5 matches, we can see that on 23-05-02, we can all see that Arsenal did middle match and the market did work. So guys, the market of which we'll specifically be focusing on is the team total under 1,5. So we'll be saying Chelsea under 1,5. Chelsea under 1,5. So here you can see that Chelsea only scored 1 goal and no 2 goals or more were scored by Chelsea. Only 1 goal was scored. So our market did work here. That's how the market works. Our market did work here. You can see that, right? We can all see that. So yeah, moving on the next match on 23-10-21, we can see that our market didn't work. Like, it didn't work here. Didn't work this match because we can now see that Chelsea did score 3 and the opposite team did Arsenal did score 2. So a draw was weighed, and always focusing on the under 1,5. Well, I told you, Chelsea if scores 2 or more, we lose our bet. But guys, this what I like about this bet, it gives you too many odds. So let's not lose hope, right? Let's check on the next match. On 24-04-23, we can all see that our market did work. Like, that's cool. Just look, our market did work here. Like, did work in a very excellent way. Like, look, Chelsea did score 0 goals. No goal was scored by Chelsea, and Arsenal did win the match. Yeah, Arsenal did win the match. So guys, this is what I'm saying. I like this market because it has a lot of odds sometimes, depending on which team you're betting on or what type of bet you're focusing on. So here you can see that our market did work. Arsenal did score 5 goals. So guys, as you're analyzing, right, you can see that the double chance market could work here. See that direct chance, although you can choose whether Arsenal to win or a draw. Because here Arsenal has been ring and ring. So you can go for the double chance market. But guys, today we'll only be focusing on the Chelsea under 1,5 market, the team total under 1,5. That's the market that we should be obviously focusing on. So moving on the next match on 24-11-10, we can see that our market did work, guys. Our market did work. Chelsea only scored 1 goal, and that's cool. Chelsea did score 1 goal, not more, but 1. No, that's good. That's good, like very good. So yeah, guys, here you can see that we did win our bet. You could also stake high if you want to get more money. Because sometimes, right, you can stake with 10 grand and make a trade. When I mean by trade, include like 20 teams in one slip. That lowers your chances of winning. So next time when you bet, you should only include under 5 teams in your bet, for bet to have a higher chance of winning, guys, And you should also check out the latest results, double chance videos there if you're really interested in those markets. So moving on the last match on 25-03-16, we can see that our market did work here, guys. Our market did work, guys. Can we see our market did work? 1 goal was scored by Arsenal, and Chelsea did score no goal. So do you still remember I was telling you about the double chance, right? Here you can see that Arsenal was looming on draw. So guys, you could also check out that market if you really wanna win or make more money or grow your bankroll. Depends on what you're focusing on. So here we can see that our market did work. It worked, guys. So yeah, guys, as you're analyzing, right, we can now see that our market did work 4 times. Our market did work 4 times in the last 5 matches, and that's good, So guys, as I'm always saying, as I'm gonna say right now, you should always check the last five matches of the opposite teams. We should check the last five matches of Arsenal and the last five matches of Chelsea to confirm the bet and predict accurate bets, to make sure that you're sure with your bet whether you're gonna win, and check how the teams are performing in the present. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips and strategies.